Here's a little piece of a song that I wrote. You know, I've been sitting here doing some thinking about all the things that I said. I know I hurt you, and I'm truly sorry. I must have been out of my head. I wish there was some way I could turn back time, and that moment I could relive. But words, once they're spoken, are never forgotten. The best you can do is forgive. Forgive. Just do the best you can do. Forgive, and I'll make it all up to you. Now that I've said it, you'll never forget it. I just hope that you